Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Bright sunshine. Oh, this is the golden age of California, the golden moment of California. So I need to go to send some stuff to a neighborhood friend, and I was walking there, and I was walking on my feet, that step by step walk there, instead of driving. I walked there, and oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. I cannot help to think that I am living in paradise. And this park is quite close to me, but I have never noticed it. I mean, this is a natural reserve. It's a piece of land that is kept like this. There is no development, there is no park made, I mean, artificial park or community a parking service, the park and the recreation service to do any facilities. And it's just a piece of natural land. And it's so, so, so very precious, especially with the urban development right now, that having a piece of land that is not touched, that is as if it has been 1,000 years, as if it has been for so long time. It's just such a treasure in this area. So I was passing there, and there was a native garden. I think this is recent years, maybe 5 years or something like it. They start to make a native garden. And nowadays in California, a lot of these constructions, cities, and parks, libraries, and the public facilities have something of this native garden. And it is to promote to promote or bring back what nature used to be, to cherish it. I think this is an advancement. We used to appreciate artificial garden because it's rare, and the land used to be all nature and without human touch. And now we have more human touched gardens, parks, and having a piece of land and having the opportunity preserve the old, the original, the very native plants and native landscape, although it's in a teeny tiny little scale, but it's such a good educational and interesting source, and I really like it. Yeah. So look at the flowers. These are just so beautiful, and I think this is a sunrise sunflower, California sunflower, and there are different kind of species, and each one has a name tag attached to it, so that if you want to learn something, you can come here. And this place, this little park, does not have an irrigation system. Everything and everything is just as nature it is. And oh yes, recently, usually every year when I go there, it's always golden color, and the grass feels burnt. But these couple of days, especially last week and 2 weeks ago, there were a lot of rains in San Francisco Bay Area, in my neighborhood area, a lot of rains. So suddenly the green grass bloom with some very tender green and a medium green and a little bit of the leaf, a little bit darker green, different shade of green, 50 shades of green, 51 shades of green, and a little blaze. This is a California poppy. I do not even need a name tag for it. And small flowers start to pop up. It's very natural, and it's very, very, very. I cannot. I cannot focus on talking. I do not if you hear the background or not, but I hear my background sound is very, very loud. Anyway, so I walk in the park, and disconnect to a big park. Every day I pass by the park to go to swimming pool, and makes me feel so good, so happy. And today I wear some new, so beautiful. And today I bought, yesterday I bought some new tops. I am tired of wearing always the unicolor, monocolor top, gray or blue or something. I want to even red. I want to have something different. So I bought a new flower top, and wear this flower top, wear the matching pants, matching shoes. Maybe we should take a look at the outfit of the day. And it just so silly. And that's my outfit. And I love you. I hope you have a beautiful day. Keep in good spirit. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Yeah, bye.